Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a long walk you ever had. You should say, when did this happen? Where did you walk? Who was with you? And explain how did you feel about this walk. About a year ago, over the winter break, I went on a nature trail with my best friend, and it was one of the most memorable lengthy hikes I had ever taken. Exams and everyday routines were causing us a lot of stress at the time, so we made the decision to do something new. We learned about a well-known forest park with lovely and serene walking trails that is roughly an hour from our city. In order to make the most of the day, we scheduled a one-day excursion and set out early. The day was ideal for a long walk because it was sunny and cool, with a clear sky. We arrived in the park, ate a modest breakfast, and then started to stroll. Our trail, which was roughly 10 kilometers long, went through small hills, deep forests, rocky regions, and even a few small streams. It was not like a typical city walk because the path was primarily uneven and natural. We started off talking and joking as we walked, full of energy and excitement. We enjoyed the cool, fresh air on our faces, the big trees, and the chirping of the birds. The forest grew more serene and lovely as we ventured farther into it. All we could hear were the soothing sounds of nature. We sat on benches or rocks, took numerous quick breaks, shot a ton of photos, and took in the breathtaking scenery. Our legs began to ache after a few hours of walking, and the trail's steep sections made it even more difficult. But we were inspired by the breathtaking scenery and serene ambience. We joked, helped one another, and continued on our way. There were times when we both kept quiet and simply strolled alongside one another, taking in the beauty that surrounded us. I learned from that experience how calming and restorative nature can be. I felt quite content and at ease while I was away from the bustle, pollution, and noise of the city. With each stride I took, it seemed like all of my troubles were melting away. We were utterly worn out, but yet quite content and proud of ourselves by the end of the hike. It was a mental and emotional rejuvenation in addition to a physical one. I learned the importance of slowing down, spending time outside, and re-establishing a connection with oneself from that lengthy stroll. Because we had a wonderful and unforgettable event together, it also deepened my friendship with my friend. I still think of that walk anytime I'm feeling anxious or overburdened, and it makes me happy. It reminds me that going on a long stroll in the outdoors can sometimes be the best kind of therapy.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.